The Tennessee Air National Guard's 118th Wing made history recently, successfully flying the MQ-9 from California to Smyrna, Tennessee, without ground crews or support facilities normally required for taxiing, takeoff, and landing. As part of Exercise Whiskey Fury, designed around the Air Force's new Agile Combat Employment Model, members from the 118th Operations Group piloted the MQ-9 to a successful takeoff and landing on June 7th. Key to the success of this exercise is a new technology called Satellite Launch and Recovery, or SLR, which fundamentally changes how MQ-9s are flown and supported.
The primary focus of this is to practice that satellite launch and recovery and work on how that dovetails into the Air Force's vision of agile combat employment.
With the first objective of the exercise met, the second goal was training.
We've got to give the California Air National Guard a lot of credit. They've been using this in a domestic response capability for the California wildfires for quite a while, and the rest of us are taking the lessons they learned, and now we want to apply it.
The visual of an MQ-9 flying in U.S. civilian airspace could be alarming to some not familiar with its domestic operations capabilities. But Woods explained the MQ-9 integrates exceptionally well into this role. It provides instant assessment and awareness to commanders, governors, and federal leadership during natural disasters.
It's such a good platform. I want it to be utilized and be accepted.
Well, today the Tennessee National Guard got to see history made.
This is a big deal. This is the first time that it has landed here.
A vision years in the making.
First time one has ever touched down here in Tennessee.
This is a new day, indeed.
The landing marked the first time an MQ-9 touched down on Tennessee soil. Woods, who piloted the MQ-9 on its first flight to Tennessee, recognized the many support layers it took to make this exercise successful.
That was a phenomenal experience, and just completely humbled and honored to be able to be the first pilot to land it here in Tennessee. I did not do that alone. The fact that that MQ-9 touched down the first time as smooth as it did was credit to everybody in this operations group as well as this wing.